In this video, I am going to explain how to draw a line using DDA line drawing algorithm. DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer. By using DDA algorithm, how to generate points if the starting point and ending point of straight lines are given. So what are the steps I will discuss? Here given starting point and ending points are given. So suppose given coordinates of starting point, let us say x is y is, coordinates of ending point, let us say xc y. Suppose two points are given. This is the starting point xs ys and coordinates of ending point xc y. So what are the steps are required to generate point? Step 1. In step 1, you have to find out delta x, delta y and the slope m. So step 1, calculate delta x, delta y and m. M means slope. How to find out delta x? Delta x equal to xc minus xs. Delta y equal to y minus ys and m equal to delta y by delta x. In step 1, if 2 points are given, you have to calculate delta x, delta y and m for the given points. That is delta x equal to xc minus xx, delta y equal to y minus ys, m equal to delta y by delta x. This is step 1. So what is step 2? Step 2, find out the number of steps, means how many points we have to generate in between starting point and ending point. Finding number of steps. How to find the number of steps? If absolute value of delta x is greater than absolute value of delta y, then steps equal to absolute value of delta x, else steps equal to absolute value of delta y. So step 2, finding number of steps. How to find the number of steps? You have to find out the absolute value of delta x and absolute value of delta y. You give the condition if delta x is greater than delta y, steps equal to absolute value of delta x. Otherwise, steps equal to absolute value of delta y. This is step 2. Now we consider step 3. So what is step 3? And next next point. Finding next point. Finding next point. Suppose current point is xk, yk, and next point is xk plus 1 comma yk plus 1. Suppose current point is xk yk and next point is xk plus 1 yk plus 1. We have to find the next point, and the next point according to the following cases. Following cases. There are three cases. So according to case, we have to find out the next point. So case 1. What is case 1? If m is less than 1, that means if slope is less than 1, then xk plus 1 equal to xk plus 1, that means round of xk plus 1, and yk plus 1 equal to round of yk plus m. If case 1 is satisfied, that means if slope is less than 1, so next point xk plus 1 means round of xk plus 1, yk plus 1 means round of yk plus m. So what is case 2? Case 2, if m equal to 1, if slope equal to 1, then xk plus 1 equal to round of xk plus 1, yk plus 1 equal to round of yk plus 1. So case 1, m is less than 1, and case 2, if m equal to 1. Now we consider case 3. So what is case 3? Case 3. If m is greater than 1, that means if slope is greater than 1, then xk plus 1 equal to round of xk plus 1 by m, and yk plus 1 equal to round of yk plus 1. So there are three cases. According to the case, we have to find out the next point. Now, so what is step 4? Step 4, repeat steps, repeat step 3 until end point is reached, or generate new points equals to the step count. Repeat step 3 until endpoint is reached, or generate new points equals to the step count. So these are the steps to generate points if starting point and ending point of a straight line is given, and by using DDA algorithm. Thank you.